Hey friends, in today's video, I'm sharing my top 5 mini dash cams for 2025 compact. It's powerful and packed with features like 4K, Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and 24/7 parking mode. Here's a quick rundown of what we covered. AZDOME MM550 Pro, this one's a beast. It's a 3-channel dash cam that records the front in 4K and both the rear and cabin in 108p. Comes with GPS, fast Wi-Fi, night vision, and even a 64GB memory card in the box. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full protection from every angle. Plus, the wide dynamic range ensures balanced exposure in tough lighting conditions. April Boy 4K Wi-Fi dash cam compact, but super smart. You're getting 4000 front plus 108p rear with Sony sensors and a wide 170 view. Also includes GPS, Wi-Fi, anti-vibration. It supports up to 512GB. It also offers real-time tracking and performs great in both bright and low light conditions. The camera's build quality feels premium and durable, even in long-term use. Kacom UHD 4K dash cam. This one's budget-friendly and reliable. Dual lens with 4000 front, 108p rear, wide-angle lens, GPS, night vision, app support, all the good stuff. It's a great pick if you're after premium features at a mid-range price point. The compact screen makes menu navigation easy without being distracting. Kawa Mini 3 dash cam. Super small and super smart. Records in crisp 2K, has voice control, night vision, and Wi-Fi, and no screen, so it stays super discreet. Its low-profile design makes it nearly invisible from outside the car. You can control everything easily from your phone using its dedicated app. Yay 4K dash cam. Another solid choice with 4000 front and 108p rear, Sony sensor f1.6 aperture, wide dynamic range, GPS, and anti-fog design. It's built to handle tough weather conditions while delivering crystal clear video. The motion detection feature is great for catching incidents while parked. That's it for today's roundup. Hope this helps you pick the right mini dash cam for your car. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I always reply. And if this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more smart gear reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.